We are having a storm here shortly, and me and my stepbrother just seen some lightning over there, like 10 minutes ago, I think, like 5-10 minutes ago, and like it lit up the whole sky out that way. So yeah, let's hope we can get some lightning, because I already have one lightning video on YouTube already. Yo, I'm ducking down for this. Yo, you can just barely see the clouds. What was that? Like,
you saw it, right?
yeah, I seen a light, like light up the fence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yo. Yeah.
That was nuts.
It was really white here in real life, but you guys got it blue on the camera. I don't get why it does that. Yo.
Dude, that's crazy. That was big.
Yeah, dude. Wanna know why it does that? Because the lightning bolt, it lights up all the clouds because it's reflecting off of each and every little droplet in the sky. Want to go up to the front and look for them?
What do you mean the front?
The front, like the sidewalk.
Maybe.
Yo, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Yo!
Dude, it's coming.
Yo, the storm gods are ready.
Look.
Strike. I know. Look out. Look directly out that way. Yo, that's tight. Okay, we gotta be warned because of static electricity. Remember, if the hair starts sticking up on your arms, run. Do. What? The car?
Set off an alarm?
I don't know. Yo, there's the thunder. Thunder! Yo, this is the most lightning I think I've ever gotten in a video, at least at night. I don't think I've really recorded any night videos.
Why does he always say yo in his videos?
Yo, it's fun. Yo. Yo! Want to go up to the sidewalk and look for it?
Not right now.
Okay. Well, I can't wait till it gets right above us because then I can record from there. No, I mean like when the lightning is like directly above us, then that way I can record from there and just record it, like light up this whole parking lot. Well, no, not parking lot. This whole neighborhood.
Shank Billy. No, I'm just kidding.
Stop, Colin. Yo. Whoa! I hope I got that. That wasn't like boom, 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 boom. That was like boom. That one actually was really close, I think. Yo, I seen another one.
I know, I saw it.
Oh!
Dude, Colin, your hair is standing up. No, I'm just kidding.
Dude's better than yo.
Huh?
Dude's better than yo.
Okay.
Dylan, your hair is staticky.
No, it's not.
It is.
Is it really? Is it really?
Oh, Frank!
I hate you, Colin. Okay, now you're never gonna be in any of my other videos ever again. Colin.
Oh.
Whoa! Hang on,
I don't know if you can really tell from your guys' hair. You'd have to look at mine since mine is
Bro.
poofy.
Yours
I
is
have
a
an
pro.
afro.
Yeah. No, oh no, because I know what electricity does to me. It makes my hair super itchy. Like I'm wearing a hat. But still, I'm getting low just in case.
Is it me or do I see a tripwire?
Bro, you tripping.
Oh, it just sparkles in the rocks.
Whoa!
Dude,
There-
I wanted to pass
Hey, my
over.
leg's itchy.
Liar.
It's true, my leg is itchy.
And go inside. Yo, it's already been 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Your video?
Yeah. There's the thunder. What are you doing, you stupid spotlight? Yo, and if you think this is bad quality, well, yeah, of course it is, because this is my phone camera. I don't got any. Well, actually, I don't got any other
I'll
camera.
be back.
Okay. So yeah, guys. Sorry if it's bad quality. Whoa!
See that?
Yeah, I seen it. I think I got it on video. Oh, I slid. Yo, that was cool. Yo, Cameron, I can hear it. It's getting closer. Pausing till next time. Peace for right now. Okay, well, guys, it's starting to rain, but this is for you. Ugh. Oh, yeah, that's right. I turned it off. Hang on. Okay, I'm sorry, but. Come on. Come on. Okay, never mind. Yo, hang on. Okay, yo. Oh, never mind.
All up in there. Yeah.
Cameron. Yo, it rains. It's raining right now. Please let there be some more lightning. More lightnings at all. Yes, please. Lightning. Please come. Come on, please be like Nevada. But just the lightning, like not the hail, the size of quarters. Almost golf ball, like almost half the size of a golf ball. Nor the rain is hard, but please let there be lightning like it. Like almost like it anyway. And then like not real close to us, please. Yeah, sorry I'm talking to a storm. Sorry, storm. Yeah, guys, I'm just weird like that. I bet a lot of other people are. I mean, I admit myself, yeah, I'm weird. Okay? There, you finally got the truth out of me. All you guys were wondering. That is whoever does watch these videos of mine. Yeah, please, guys, like and subscribe. If you haven't already. Please. Yo, there was so much lightning, now there's none. What is up? Oh wait, all the lightning is probably past. And right now it's probably an edge of a storm, if not the center. So, you know, like a hurricane. Even though this is not a hurricane. Don't walk out there, Colin, it's raining. Can you turn off the porch light, please? Thank you. Yo, I hope I get some more lightning. Lightning and thunder. Ugh, why am I singing? Oh wait, I sing every day.
Did it just dump out here?
Yeah, turn on the porch light and look for yourself.
Dude, we were in there for like 10 minutes. And
I
it
know.
was super dry.
I know, right? Yo, there's something like right over there. I don't know what though. But yeah, guys, I might just end the video. Sorry, I think I'm getting a cold or something. I'm not sure, but I'm probably just gonna end the video here. I mean, well, there's nothing really much going on. All it's doing is just lightly raining, I think. And it's not really doing anything. There's not lightning right now. We were inside for like 10-15 minutes and it just dumped rain. And we were just way too busy with our drones. And I didn't really get a lot of lightning. So yeah, I might just end the video here. If not, then try to fly my drone. Okay, yo, I keep seeing spotlights after spotlights after spotlights. I think they're coming from Tooele where I live, but right now I think I'm in Sugar House, so. And no, it's not a house made of sugar. It's just a name. So yeah. So hang on, I'm gonna pause it right here and try to get it set up for the drone. Okay, pause. Yeah, never mind, that's not gonna work. So bye.